Radiation is all around us, just a fact of life. And experiment 28 in the advanced chemistry book is radiation and shielding, and it examines the effect of using some substance to absorb radiation. And so we're going to end up using some cardboard. It also suggests that you might try to use some aluminum foil. For this experiment, I'm using a go-direct radiation sensor. And so it can measure alpha, beta, and gamma radiation. For my source, I'm actually using something called Vaseline glass. The experiment calls for a strontium-90 disc. I didn't have one of those here, so I'm just using this glass as my source. And right now I've connected my radiation monitor to the iPad here, and you're seeing this count. And so you'll notice that number is getting larger and larger and larger. And so it's just measuring the total count that's reaching the detector. Now watch what happens to the rate of increase here. If I take this whole stack of cardboard and I slide it in there so that I'm kind of covering the end of the detector, you'll notice that the count begins to really slow down. It's still going up, but at a much, much slower rate. Now, the experimental data that we have here, this is how it was done. And so they start off here with actually having no shielding, so there's no cardboard, and then they would add one piece at a time, and you see what happens as you add more and more pieces of cardboard. Now, to do this, the way they set this up was they would set it up so it would record data for a period of time, I think it's 50 seconds, and have it do 50 seconds at each layer there. So that's how the experiment was carried out.